Hello students, welcome back to video 3 of the topic tenses. In this video, I will be teaching you present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now see children, present perfect. When we will use the present perfect tense, it is used to describe action which is just completed. For that you use present perfect tense. See, I have completed the work. She has taken the medicine. These are the two examples. Have plus past participle form of the verb. Have plus past participle form of the verb. Have completed. Has taken. Has or have plus past participle form of the verb is the formula of present perfect tense. Okay. Now let's see that in detail. See, verb form has or have plus past participle form. You already knows it has. Has is used with he, she, it and all singular. You will be using has, and have is used with I, we, you, they and all plurals. Now past participle form of the verb. What is this past participle form of the verb? The third category of verbs, that is present tense, past tense and past participle. The third position. In this third position you can see past participle form. Let us see some verbs, so it will be more clear for you. Eat, present tense, past tense, ate, past participle, eaten. Then know, knew, known, this is past participle form. Give, gave, given. Given is the past participle. For some of the verbs like hit and put, it has the same forms, present tense, past tense and past participle, same. Hit, 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 put, put, put. Okay. So, these are some of the examples of past participle form of the verb. So, in present perfect tense, you should use only has or have plus past participle form of the verb. This is the verb form of present perfect. Now, let us see. She has eaten the cake. See what I have used here, has plus eaten, past participle form of the verb. I used here has because this is she. Okay, this is singular. So, I have used has plus past participle form of the verb. Now, they, plural. Okay, since it is plural, I have used have. Okay, this is the difference for has and have. Already you might have studied. Has is used with singular, he, she, it and all singular, and have is used with all plurals, I, we, you and they. Plus past participle form of the verb. Eat, ate, eaten. The third category of verb is used here. Give, gave, given. Past participle form of the verb is used here. Okay, so this is the format. Now come to the negatives. How to make negatives in present perfect tense. She has not eaten the cake. You can just add has plus not, has not. She has not eaten the cake, and they have not given the book. Have plus not, have not. This is how you make negatives in present perfect. Now the next one, interrogatives. How to make interrogatives, questions in this tense. See, she has eaten the cake. She has eaten the cake. How you will make it an interrogative sentence? By taking this has in the first position, in the beginning. Has she eaten the cake? Did you see? Then next example, they have given the books. You see here, have they given the books? So this is how you make interrogatives in present perfect tense. You have to take that this has and have verbs, put it in the beginning, and perfect will be followed after the subjects. You see, they, after they, past participle form of the verb, after, see, have here, have they given the book, and here you see, after the subject, past participle form of the verb is used, and in the beginning you are using question word has. Okay, hope it's clear. Now the next one, present perfect continuous tense. This topic is only a little bit in your textbook. See, action which began in the past and it is still continuing. This still is going on, that is present perfect continuous tense. It has been raining since morning. Now also it is raining. Okay, so it has been raining since morning. From morning onwards, the rain is continuing. So, for those types of sentences in the contextual meaning, we can use present perfect continuous tense, like actions which begin in the past and still going. Now, verb form. How to make a present perfect continuous tense? You have to use has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. See the example, she has been waiting. Has plus been plus ing form of the verb, has been waiting for us. I have used has here because it is she. Now, if you are using they, plurals, have been reading all day. They have been reading all day. Okay, this is how you have to construct a present perfect continuous tense. Now, let us recall what we have studied. Just listen. Today we studied present perfect tense. What is that? Present perfect tense is used to describe an action which is just completed, and the verb form has or have plus past participle form of the verb. Has, you already know, for subjects starting like he, she, it and all singular, you should use has. For I, we, you, they and all plurals, you are supposed to use have, plus past participle form of the verb. What is past participle form? All the verbs have three forms: present tense, past tense and past participle form of the verb. See, eat, ate, eaten, know, knew, known. So, this category of verbs are used in past participle form of the verbs are used in present perfect tense. Okay, examples. See, she has eaten the cake. They have given the books. Then how to make it negative? By adding not. Has not, have not. You can make it negative. Now, interrogatives. How to make a question? Just by putting this in the beginning, you can make it interrogative. Okay, has she eaten the cake? Have they given the books? So, this is how you can make interrogatives. Now, coming to present perfect continuous tense, I told you it is action which is now also continuing, but it has begun in the past and still going on. It has been raining since morning. That is the example. Now, verb form. How to make a present perfect continuous sentence? Has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Has or have, it depends upon the subject. Has is used with singulars, have is used with plurals. So, she has been waiting for us. They have been reading all day. Okay, there is no negatives and interrogative forms for you this year. Now, identify the tense. Let us try this by yourself. She draws a picture. First, you underline the verb and see what is the form of that verb. She draws a picture. Draws. You can see that verbs are followed by s. So, that is what? Simple present. Simple present. Okay. Now, come to the next one. They have taken the ball. Have taken. Have plus past participle form of the verb. What is that? That is present perfect. Okay. Then the next one. She is laughing. Is laughing. What is that? Is am or are plus ing form of the verb. Laugh plus ing, laughing. That is present continuous. Present continuous. Then The next one, the baby has been smiling since morning. Has plus been plus ing form of the verb. What is that? Has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. That is present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So, I hope everybody might have got the answers correct. Now, let us try this. Make the sentences negative and make questions for these statements. She plays violin. She plays violin. So, how can you make it a negative sentence? Plays violin, she. So, she, do or does, which one you have to use? She is singular. So, she does not, original form of the verb is used, play violin. Okay. Now, question. What question word you will use? Do or does? Does, because she is singular. So, does she play violin? Original form of the verb is used. Okay. Does she play violin? Now, the next one, she is writing. Make it negative. How you can make it negative? You can make it negative by adding not. She is not writing. Then how can you make it a question? You can use the verb directly here. Is she writing? This is how you make questions. Now, the next one, negative sentence. They have taken the notebook. Change that to negative sentence. How will you do it? They have taken the book. Make it to negative. They have not taken the book. Now, interrogative. Make a question by using this have in the beginning. Have they taken the book? Question mark. Okay. Now, they read the book. Make it negative. They, you can use do or does. They do not read the book. Original form of the verb is used here. Then interrogative. Make a question by starting with do. Do they read book? Original form of the verb is used. Interrogative. Okay. Hope you all understood the topic. We will be discussing all the answers in the Google Meet. Thank you.